Hi guys, good morning. I'm speaking very slowly because I do not want to wake everyone up. Also, it's almost 6 and usually I go to park this time, but gyms have been open for like 2-3 days and today is the first day for me and I'm very excited about it. As you can see, I'm already dressed up in my gym attire and 15 minutes ago I just had a glass of water, and by the time I'll finish my banana and few overnight soaked almonds and walnuts, Yash is preparing his coffee for the instant energy.
Keep it over and walk by my side. Do you see the road? Do you hear it's cold? Do you want a bite of it? Just getting me above now. Just getting me above.
Just got done with the basic stretching exercises and I have no idea कि इसके बाद मैं gym कैसे करने वाली हूँ because of these nails which I just got recently. But anyway, I am planning to go easy with my exercises because बहुत time हो गया actual gym में exercise करते हुए. So let's see. Guys, back from the gym. I just checked my weight today and last year gym start करने से पहले I used to weigh 44 kgs and today after a whole year I am 54 kgs. I'm quite proud of that because during lockdown now I was not able to do many exercises which you usually do in gym, but I was pretty much regular with my basic exercises and still I'm able to maintain it, so that's good, right? So usually what happens is कि like my personal weight gaining was a very slow process, like मुझे पूरा 1 साल लगा है, but I think that's great because that kind of stays with you. It's not like कि तुमने weight gain किया and वो चला गया, वो अभी तक I'm able to maintain. So yeah, that's really good. And of course I am hungry as always, so let's go and have our favorite breakfast. Back home and right now I'm having my oatmeal, freshly prepared oatmeal. This is just oats boiled with water and sometimes I also take it with boiled milk. I usually prefer oat milk or soy milk because I'm lactose intolerant, but for today this is just oats boiled in water. And earlier I used to not take it at all. मुझे इसका जो taste है वो बहुत ही weird लगता था, but you develop the taste because you have to take things which are healthy for your body. And this is not important that you have to take this as well. I mean, if you do, good for you, but you can also spice your breakfast a little bit, like you can have dark chocolate in it, or you can have cornflakes, or you can have an apple along with it. Why not? And the reason why I take oats in morning is because not they are good in fiber, but at the same time after working out I need something to fill myself up with, and at the same time I want कि वो मुझे energy भी दे, and oats kind of help me in that. So yeah guys, quickly took a shower and got ready in between, and this is how the middle of the day in my life looks like. I'm always shooting during this time and I'm shooting right now as well, and during this time I want something like something very energetic and not something to fill myself a lot because I'm gonna have lunch later on and I had breakfast 2 hours ago. So I want something to go to because I'm in the middle of shoot and I can't cook the whole meal for myself right now, and also I'm gonna have lunch later on. So what I do is, wait, I'll show you. So guys, I take Oziva Superfood Plant Protein and I already have 200 ml of water in my sipper, shaker, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just gonna quickly open this right here and I'm just gonna add 2 scoops of this Superfood Plant Protein in it, like this. 1 and 2. Done. And all you have to do is just close your sipper or shaker बहुत अच्छे से and just shake it well. I was anyway planning on getting a plant-based protein from a very long time, and the ones which are available in market are so expensive, and the reason why I got this one is because you're getting 250 gram of protein in it at only rupees 6.99. I mean, how cool is that? Also, the best part is that this is soy free, vegan, perfect for people like me who are lactose intolerant, contains zero preservatives and no trans fat. Also, it is fulfilling all your multivitamins need for the day, because no matter how much good diet we are taking in a day, we just can't fulfill our protein needs with that. So this kind of helps taking care of our proteins, vitamins and minerals need throughout the whole day. And guys, anyone above the age of 3 years can take it. It's that healthy and easy to digest as well. And you guys keep anyway ask me about what kind of protein I'm taking right now, and I was not able to suggest anything to you guys earlier, because even I was looking for one for myself, and now I finally did. And you guys know I keep sharing everything with you guys, so here you go. So guys, during lunchtime I just eat जो भी घर पे बना हुआ होता है, घर का बना खाना, that is it. So if there's roti sabzi, I eat that. I eat 3 to 4 rotis with any sabzi which my mom has made for me. And if there's rice, I also have a serving of rice, but then I reduce 1 roti, so that's how I sort of balance it out, and that is it. And even for night I have the same meal. बहुत बार ये होता है कि whatever I'm having in lunch, I'm having the same meal at night as well, but थोड़ा कम quantity में, because of course night time पे it's always good to eat less so that it's easier for you to digest as well. Having a diet routine, a proper diet meal has helped me in my bloating, in my mood swings, and I don't know if a lot of people have experienced this, but personally it is also helping me in getting my timely periods. Like मुझे time पे periods भी आ रहे हैं. So I think it's not only about working on your body in terms of physical self, like बाहर से नहीं. For example, like working out is okay, but that is not enough, because at the same time it's also important what you're putting inside of your body. Like clean, healthy eating also matters a lot. I don't know, for some people having a whole diet routine would be easier. For some of you it must be like, oh, it's such a big deal. And trust me, even I was there. Initially I had no routine whatsoever, and these are the things which I slowly developed, sort of like a habit I developed into my life, and it is kind of helping me as well. And it's always good to have a routine, because considering if you have a busy schedule in your life, that sort of manages everything out. You do not have to, give other things a lot of attention. So yeah, from 44 kgs to 54 kgs, it took me a whole year, and I'm able to maintain it from past 8 months. And I think having a proper routine, diet, this sort of lifestyle is helping me maintain that a lot. Also guys, between lunch and dinner, I forgot to tell you, I have a plate full of seasonal fruits, and even my dermatologist suggested me that instead of drinking juice, you can just have raw fruits in itself, because you're getting pulp, raw fiber, like it's very good. And I also add a little dash of lemon and some chaat masala, because yeah, why not? And if you want to follow my weight gain journey, I'm gonna link my playlist in description box down for you guys, so you can check that out. And I have been meaning to make this video from a very long time, not only because you guys keep asking for one, but because you just never know, it might help you build your daily routine, and what's better than follow a healthy lifestyle, right? So yeah, I guess that is it for today. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm gonna answer everything in comments down for you guys. And yeah, I have no idea why I zoned out, but subscribe, like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.